Brian Bowersock here, the Auto Man. Today we're talking about ABS and traction control systems on your vehicle. You know that little light illuminates, it's usually orange in color. A lot of times the red brake light will come on at the same time if there's a concern. If that does happen, the traction control system and ABS system on your vehicle actually goes into a fail-safe mode. It doesn't actually work properly. Now, typically the hydraulic system, which is the regular brake master cylinder, etc., regular brakes will work just fine even though that system's locked out. But you will lose certain things such as traction control and anti-lock braking and a panic stop, things like that. So we want to make sure that system stays in good working order. To be honest with you, besides just making sure regular maintenance is performed on it, replacing brake pads, etc., when they're defective, the only other service you can truly do is keep the brake fluid clean. The reason you want to keep the brake fluid clean is the ABS modules, as far as the valving, etc., can get sticky or stuck from bad brake fluid. So replacing it when contaminated or high copper content keeps these valves clean and working good, saving you a lot of money down the road. If you are having an ABS problem on your vehicle, make sure and get it looked at by a qualified technician. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
Join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.